How to send crypto from crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send crypto from crypto.com. In order to sell crypto from crypto.com, all you need to do is first thing first, open the app and then go to transfer button. After that, go ahead and tap the withdraw button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll need to select where you actually want to send the cryptos. Go ahead and select external wallet. After that, you need to enter in the destination such as your wallet address where you're actually sending. After you've done that, enter in the exact amount that you wish to send and click the withdraw button located right at the bottom. Lastly, you'll need to go through the confirmation. If you're sure about the transaction, then click the confirm button located right at the bottom, and then you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully sent crypto from crypto.com. So in that way you can send crypto from crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.